ambulance services, police patrol, fire and rescue aids. Always rapid, reliable and immediate. But what about their nautical counterparts? Just as swift as its land-dwelling equals is Colombo Dockyard's Rapid Response Afloat Repair Service. Strategically located in the hub of the Indian Ocean, this internationally renowned dockyard has over 45 years' experience in ship repair, shipbuilding and heavy engineering sectors. Its passion for excellence has led it to grow from strength to strength, with over 3,000 Sri Lankans as its zealous staff. And from this formidable force comes the Rapid Response Afloat Repairs Unit.
All units proceed to your post assignment.
This dedicated service was set up to provide discerning ship owners and managers with fast response, reliable afloat repair services while the ship is in port. And to date, we have completed over 100 successful afloat repairs, ensuring the least possible downtime for our customers. Main engine plus auxiliary engine breakdown repairs. Propeller seal renewal while vessel is afloat. Repairs of contact damages including shell or internals renewals. Crane, hatch covers and other cargo gear repairs. Electrical, electronic, automation and navigation related rectifications. Breakdown repairs on winches, windlasses, pumps, coolers, electric motors and hydraulic motors. In Colombo, Galle, Trincomalee and Hambantota ports. Now the above repairs don't apply to just one particular type of vessel. Our vast experience means that we are well capable of solving issues in tankers, dredgers, bulk and container carriers, and even passenger vessels. Our team is equipped for any situation that may arise on any type of vessel. In addition, we guarantee a level of workmanship and quality to equal or even surpass any shipyard globally. We do all this while maintaining the highest industry standards in safety, and our repair team ensures that standards are maintained across the entire process. All hands on deck. Its team of experts guarantee a speedy response to all inquiries and provides first-rate troubleshooting capabilities. What's more, the unit also boasts the strength to source spare parts from the Colombo Dockyard supply network for the benefit of its customers, and is available 24/7, 365 days of the year. It even offers a priority Green Channel customs clearance, meaning clients will have the ability to get spare parts cleared through customs faster than normal, which significantly reduces the repair and delivery times. And in turn, this saves money and resources. But the odyssey of excellence doesn't end there. Our numerous certificates, standards and accreditations underscore our unmatched advantage in the industry.
We were experiencing continuous leak of stern tube oil. We started the job just to change aft seal, but witnessing some damage to chrome liners, shipyard shifted 18-ton propeller and replaced new chrome liner and seals with no delays to our schedule. It was an amazing job done by the team at Colombo Dockyard.
With the added advantage of dry docking at emergencies, Colombo Dockyard is flexible in allotting short dry docking slots to our priority clients at priority.
After loading and bunkering, we tried to heave up the anchor of our vessel, but failed. Local authorities rejected the request to cut and drop anchor. Then we contacted Colombo Dockyard and they immediately sent a team for troubleshooting and rectification. They diagnosed the issue was in hydraulics and managed to overcome the situation just within a few hours. Now this saved us an anchor and chain, but most importantly, our schedule. The professionalism and expertise of the Colombo Dockyard team saved us a lot of time and money.
So partner with a truly international dockyard in South Asia and rest assured that it's always anchors away. Colombo Dockyard, an odyssey of excellence.